Breakfast time. Make a batch of fresh vegetable juice containing all the ingredients listed. Essential equipment to your diet. Invest in good quality juicer. One that doesn't overheat juice and preserves the nutrients. I am putting my organic veggies through the juicer. No need to peel them, but make sure you wash them. For my breakfast, I use unique blend of vegetables that are about 50% green and 50% colorful. I don't use any fruits as I don't want to add fructose to it. Make sure you take your vitamin C with it, either as a capsule or in a powdered form, which can be mixed with your juice. Capsules sometimes irritate your stomach. If this happens, switch to powdered vitamin C. When your juice is ready, add a teaspoon of flaxseed oil to it in order to help to blend and absorb fat-soluble vitamins.